Hi. Yesterday I had to extend the Firestore query parser to add support for order by and a limit. And I wanted to try some things and I wanted a REPL, so I decided to do a playground. It's here on the site on GitHub. If you go to the repo, there's a link to the playground here or here. Of course, you can also run the tests in the site, but this one is more interesting. Um, and since I was doing a REPL for me and I needed to debug different stages, I also thought it was useful. It's a nice example of how to build a parser for a SQL-like small language. So you write your stuff here, you make mistakes, you get the error, and if you don't know what to write, as you probably would, there are some examples here you can try. Um, and it will show you all the steps in reverse order. So this code I generated, this is not part of the library, but it's almost, because I use this plan to use a function called apply to plan, which if you give it a query, it will like dynamically do something like this. Here I'm just generating JavaScript code, also because you can read the code and copy and paste it in your Firestore code base to do it. This is the plan. This is the last stage. It's the one I used to apply to the query and to generate this. This is a S expression like intermediate representation, and this is the AST that the parser generates. I think it may be useful if you are thinking on creating a language for a query parser, or you want to learn more about how to write a parser using JavaScript and JSON. The parser is here in source Firestore query parser JSON. And so yeah, if you find it interesting, you can check it out. Bye.